Hey everybody, welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to make a very simple pasta salad that you can take anywhere, anytime. It can be served warm or cold, and it's just yummy. So let's get started. Okay, y'all grab your pen because you're really going to write this one down and put it away in your recipe book. This one is one to keep. Okay, the first thing you're going to need is a pound of pasta. You can use Ziti, the big elbow macaroni, or rigatoni. Those are the three best ones. You're going to need some salt, some olive oil, some red wine vinegar, some pepper, a little pesto, a little garlic, a small can of black olives, some tomatoes, a red onion, some mozzarella cheese, and some Parmesan cheese. And that's it. 11 ingredients with minimal of each. We just go like that. It's not very much at all. Alright, Randy says I can light her up, so let's do that. There it goes. And I want a good high flame to boil this pasta. Okay, let's get this pot on this flame. Now we're going to add some salt. Now I have pink sea salt today, or that's what I'm using. And I'm going to liberally, and I do mean liberally, I want my pasta to have a flavor. So probably a good 2.5 teaspoons of salt. And we're just going to let that come to a boil. Okay, now while that water is boiling, we're going to get our sauce ready. So we're going to start cutting our vegetables. And I'm going to cut this onion pretty fine. I'm going to take the outer stuff off. Alright, we're going to remove those and we're going to put them right into our serving bowl. Okay, I'm using little cherry tomatoes. These are like a little rainbow mix, and they're just pretty, and they'll be pretty in my salad. But if you don't have those, or your store doesn't have those, 6 Roma, just medium Roma tomatoes will work just fine. Okay, and I'm just going to cut these in half. That's all I'm going to do, because it makes it so pretty, y'all. Last 3, 2, 1, and done. Okay, now they're going in the bowl. And now we're going to cut our cheese. Alright, let's get this mozzarella open. We only need 8 ounces, which is a half of this bar. Okay. And we're just going to put that one away. Oops. Save it for another recipe. Now, we're going to cut this in little 1/4-inch squares. Okay, I'm going to slide these around this way so I can try to show you. They're just 1/4-inch squares. So each one of those would get popped just like that. And they don't have to be exact. I don't think the measuring police are going to come check your cheese. You just want it to be pretty. We're going to get our black olives in there, but we're going to drain them first. If you like what you've seen so far, like, subscribe, share, hit that notification bell. We're going to get back to it. All right, here we go. See, it's already pretty. Hadn't even put anything in it yet, and it's already pretty. Let's go. My water is boiling, and I tell you, I put my pasta up in these half-gallon jars. So this is probably about 1.5 pounds because it's like 1.5 boxes. So I'm just going to guesstimate 1 pound. A little more. All right, that looks like about 1/2 box of pasta, so I'm right on my pound. Now I'm just going to give that a stir, make sure it's not all stuck together. I'm going to put that lid back on it. And Ziti usually needs to cook about 12 minutes, so I'll check it at 12 and see where I'm at. Okay, while that's boiling, we're going to come back over here and finish this. Alright, I'm going to need 2 tablespoons of that red wine vinegar. Okay, now I'm going to need 6 tablespoons of this really nice olive oil. Five, 6. All right. Okay, now I need 1 tablespoon of this garlic, and I don't want anything but the garlic in there. So we're going to drain that. Okay, 1 tablespoon of pesto, or you can just use a tablespoon of dried basil. All right, my pasta is done now. Look at that. Yep, my pasta is done. I'm going to turn it off, and I'm going to get it drained. Okay. Now my pasta is good and drained. Make sure that there's no excess water in there. Just leave it in the sieve for a second. Now we're going to put our Parmesan cheese in there. All right, I need 1/2 cup. I don't measure, and I love cheese. So whatever was left in that bag, that's what's going in that pot. Now I'm going to mix that Parmesan cheese up into my pasta and get it all good and melted and stuck to my pasta. Okay, now we're going to come back over here and we're going to give that a really good stir. Look how shiny my tomatoes got. Glossy, the mozzarella cheese. Look at that. Okay, now we're going to get our pasta and drop it right in this bowl. Okay, here goes our pasta. That cheesy ziti. Look at there. Oh, this is going to be so good. Right. Now we just get this tossed, which might be easier said than done, because now my ziti is so cheesy. Yes, I'll be sweeping the floor. Okay, just keep folding and folding. I mean, don't gouge it or anything. You just want to roll it, and eventually that olive oil will do the job for you, and it'll get looser and looser. And every bite will have goodness. All right, we're all done. We are so pretty. Look at that. I cannot wait. Actually, it's for tomorrow, but we're going to get a bowl tonight, and then we'll take it to our little potluck tomorrow and eat it again. Salt, I don't think it needs it. I mean, I tasted it, and mine, I don't think I need any. But if you'd like to add some salt, now is when you do it, or just wait and let everybody put it on their bowls. Pepper, same way. If they want pepper on it, hey, go for it. But I didn't put it in there because it is beautiful just like it is. Y'all enjoy. Bye.